Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah. Today we are playing Spider. I never played it in so long. Well, probably not so long, probably like a week or 2 weeks. Probably a week. But yeah. We'll play one round and then I might just go and oh my god, I look like a spider with my arms. And then, yeah. Also, guys, please follow me on my thingy. I only have 50. Please don't unsubscribe because I made these accounts. Wait, is this person like neon? Wait. What the heck? It looks neon. Oh my god. It looks neon. Oh well. Okay. Let's see. Let's go get something. Sorry, I closed the door on you because I don't want you to die because I like bacon hairs. Oh god. Whoa, I love his outfit. I might steal it from him. That little brick outfit. What's his name? Has to be him. Wait, so what? How? Does he hack or what? Wait. That is so weird. Oh god, why do I keep on running into things? I'm horrible. Whoa. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh my god, stop saying go. Stop saying go, stop saying go. Ow, I hit my head too hard. Owie. Okay, let's go, go, go. Stop saying go. Oh my god. Oh god. I don't know where this spider is. Okay, we could grab the green key. Was it already used? Yes, it was already used. Oh god, there's this spider. Oh god, is that like a bot? Because I feel like, no, the bot is like the dog. The bot is like a dog. I don't want to get like hit because like he's really glitchy. I think it's a bot. I don't know. I'm horrible at this game. Wait, was this the blue key door? Was the blue key? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Was the blue key already open? No. Oh god. It's probably gonna come in here. Go, go. Spider. Spider's right there. Yeah, I think I left the wrench and oh god. Where did I leave the wrench? Did someone take it? Did he have it? Oh god. The reason is I don't want to get trapped down there with the spider. Because it's like I feel like it's faster. Sorry, I'm focusing too much. I need to talk more. Unless it's annoying, because I think I'm annoying. Don't you? You're fine if you call me annoying in the chat. I'll just laugh. I wouldn't think it's mean because I know I'm really annoying. But, oh, someone said my name. What? Oopsies. Question mark. Question mark. Oh god. Yes, spider has been stunned. Ah. He doesn't know how to spell quiet. Well, I'm sorry for laughing. I'm making a video. Okay, is it? Okay, good, it is. Then all we need is the purple key, I think. Yeah. Wait, let me take this just in case. Oh my god. Oh, you could win. I'm taking the wrench just in case. The wrench. I meant the, I have bad memory right now. You've escaped for now. ... Okay guys, that will be the end because I said that I'll end the video when we're done. But thank you so much for watching, if you watched the whole thing. But yeah, please subscribe even if you're new. Turn on notifications and follow me. I probably told you this already. Follow me on my normal Roblox page, HuskyGirl1233. Sadly, I don't have a group. Follow me on... Not follow me, subscribe to me on my YouTube. And yeah, guys, that will be the end.